What the fuck is your problem?
Don't.
Get the fuck off me!
Stop.
Get off me, dude!
Stop.
Get the fuck off!
Stop.
No!
Stop.
God damn it, dude! What the fuck?
Resist.
What the fuck? Smash my fucking face, dude!
Stop resisting.
And put me under arrest and fucking show me the magistrate!
You are under arrest.
Now, before the struggle, it is almost too ordinary. Just a hot road, a white SUV, a traffic stop, speed on Pacelli, license, registration, insurance. Then it stops feeling routine, not conducting business, traveling, no ID. Cowan keeps asking for the ordinary thing. Phillips will not step into that ordinary frame. The exit order comes, the seatbelt stays on, backup is coming. Not here yet. No weapon in the record, no tool, no confirmed break-in, just heat, delay, and a driver still inside the car.
Hi, I'm Brian Cowan, Reading Police Department. The reason I stopped you is you're going about 60 miles an hour on Pacelli as you passed me. Can I see your license, registration, and insurance, please?
Phillips does not sound panicked. And that is the strange part. He sounds sure, not conducting business, traveling. Cowan asks for ID. Phillips keeps answering a different question.
Okay, we're not going to play that game, sir. So if you don't want to identify yourself, I'm just going to place you under arrest and tow your vehicle. Okay?
I'm traveling right now.
Yeah, we're not going to do that. Okay? So I need to see your ID, and I need to see the registration and insurance on your vehicle, okay?
Cowan gives him one more way out. And then the words change. You are under arrest. After that, there is not much left to negotiate. Just the door. Step out.
Make an adult decision right now. Okay? So that's up to you. What do you want to do? Okay, you're going to be placed under arrest. Step out of the vehicle.
This is where the space starts to matter. The car is small. The seatbelt is still on. Hands disappear behind the frame. Leverage is hard to see. Only the commands are clear. Get out. Undo the seatbelt.
Edward 47. I'll take a 1025.
Dude,
Don't.
trying fucking I have hemophilia, bro. Ow, that fucking hurts.
Don't.
Let me get out.
Don't. Get out right now. Undo your seatbelt. Undo your seatbelt and get out.
I'm traveling, sir.
Undo your seatbelt
I'm not
and get
conducting
out of
business
the
right
vehicle.
now.
You are under arrest.
I'm not conducting
Get
business.
out of your vehicle.
Now the stop gets stuck in a loop. My arm hurts. I am not trying to hurt you. Get out. Again. Nobody gives ground. And the longer it repeats, the heavier it feels.
Do you understand me? Undo your seatbelt and step out of the vehicle.
Brian, dude.
Okay?
10-8, call me 85 Edward 47, I think I'm closer.
Undo your seatbelt and get out of the vehicle.
Fuck you, man.
Undo your seatbelt and get out of the vehicle.
Fucking break my arm.
I'm not going to break your arm. I don't want to. I want you to get out of the vehicle.
Then it does not explode. Not yet. It just waits. Road noise, heat, a seatbelt still on. Take it off. I cannot reach it. Yes, you can. The pause does not calm anything. It just holds the pressure in place.
You're under
Conducting
arrest.
business.
You're under arrest.
I'm not conducting business.
You're under arrest. Okay?
No, for what? Show me the magistrate.
Yeah, that's where we're going to go. You don't want to identify yourself, so we're going to do that. Okay? You don't get to do this, sir.
You don't either, bro. You don't get to go in my car and fucking take me out and break my fucking arm.
I'm asking you to step out.
I'm asking you to let go of my arm.
I'm not going to do that.
I can't reach my seatbelt.
You can do it with your right arm.
No, I can't.
You can do it with your right arm.
Then Cowan says the part everyone can feel coming. Actions. When another officer gets there, they will pull him out and cuff him. Now the waiting has a shape. It is not neutral anymore.
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
47. I'll take another unit.
Get off of me!
Here, the best thing the narrator can do is get out of the way. The frame breaks, the sound takes over. Stop, stop resisting, stop attacking me. Do not make it cleaner than it is. But the legal question can wait, the noise cannot.
Dude, what the fuck is your problem?
Don't.
Get the fuck off me!
Stop.
Get off me, dude!
Stop.
Get the fuck off!
Stop.
No!
Stop.
God damn it, dude! What the fuck?
Resisting
What
me.
the fuck?
Stop resisting
Fuck you!
me.
I'm not
You're under
resisting
arrest.
shit! Fucking pull me over then, dude!
Stop
What the fuck?
resisting me.
No, dude! You're
Stop.
fucking attacking me, dude!
Stop.
No! Fuck you, dude! Get the fuck
Stop.
off me! Get the fuck off
Stop.
me, dude! You stop! Get the fuck off of me, dude! God damn it, dude!
Stop.
No, you fucking stop!
Stop.
You fucking stop!
You're not going anywhere.
I'm not arrested!
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're under
You
arrest.
caught me speeding. Give me a ticket so
Stop
I'll be on my
resisting
way.
me. Stop. I got you. Stop.
What are you guys doing, dude?
You're under arrest.
Fuck you guys. Fuck you guys. What the fuck? You're gonna smash my fucking face, dude!
Stop resisting.
And put me under arrest and fucking
are.
throw me to the magistrate!
You are under arrest.
This is the turn. The threat becomes spoken.
Got it?
What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
Here, let's get this arm. Okay.
Stop.
You're good, bro. Stop.
I'm burning my face.
All right. Got it? No, it's on my short. This one's not
Face is
locked.
burning.
I got you.
I'm traveling.
Thanks.
And after the peak, nobody sounds like they won. The volume drops, knives, sit down, feet in. Procedure comes back, but the heat is still there.
I'm traveling right now.
You're traveling to jail right now.
Not in the process of conducting business right now. Take me to see the magistrate, please.
Sit down. Feet in.
Do you have any
Constitution.
sanitizer stuff? Wipes?
I don't know if I have any wipes.
And only later do we get the recap. Frederick Phillips. Now there is a name. Cowan says he waited. He says Phillips pulled away and reached toward the car. That matters. But listen carefully. It is an officer account, not a clean camera angle. The missing view matters too.
You have his ID and stuff, this guy's?
Yep. Let me run it real quick and we'll do it.
What's his name?
Frederick Phillips.
How long were you struggling for with them?
Oh, just actually right when you
Okay.
pulled up is when, because I had him in a twist lock
Yeah.
and I was just holding there waiting for another unit.
Yeah.
And then he kept trying to pull away and he kept trying to reach him undo his car,
Yeah.
undo his keys, and then he just went crazy.
By the end, the argument is just tired. No peak now, just consequences. The car gets towed. Phillips still wants a victim. Cowan does not keep debating the theory. The system just keeps moving.
Shit, I got citizens stopping to help, you know? That's how desperate I looked.
What was the guy doing?
Yeah,
So what do you need?
I need to be see the magistrate and show.
Yeah, you're gonna go to jail.
Show my victim. Where's my victim right now?
Me.
So, no clean answer. Mimms supports the exit order. Terry explains why the stop starts. Graham is the hard part. Force gets judged while people are moving, not after everyone has time to breathe. Maybe Cowan moved too soon. Maybe Phillips built the danger. Hold both for a second, then decide.
Good one.
All right.
Thanks, brother.
Yep, no problem.
So, who escalated first?